Hey, what's up guys? This is Didier from MVMT Montreal. I hope you guys are doing great. This is the second video talking about Ido Portal's spinal wave. Today we're going to talk about the reverse spinal wave. So I suggest to you guys to watch the first video and really start with the spinal wave facing the wall and then dive into this one, which is a reverse spinal wave. So we're going to start this time back to the wall. Keep a distance about 3 to 6 inches to the wall, depending on your range of mobility. And then what you're going to do is you're going to start this time opposite. So last time we start with the nose. Alright, so this time we're going to start with the hips. So what we're going to do is we're going to rotate, do an outer rotation of the pelvis and take your butt out. So start touching butt. And then what you're going to do is you are going to do the opposite. You're going to do the inner rotation of the pelvis. And as soon as you reach your maximum rotation, you should feel your lower back flattening onto the wall. Then what you're going to do is you're just going to let the body fall forward and use the knees. So I'm going to send my knees towards my toes. And as I do so, I'm going to feel that my lower back is not touching. I'm going towards the middle back. And I'm just going to roll all along, making sure that my chin is touching my chest. And I'm going to roll to my upper back. And then to the back of my head, I'm going to press up. And again, send back from the beginning. So look what's happening here. You see, I was here. I went to the top of my head. I'm pushing the hips forward. I'm pressing into the back of my head. And the transition is rolling, doing the outer rotation of the pelvis, and look at my head here. Again, so butt, lower back, send the knees to the toes, middle back, roll along the spine, from the middle back to the upper back. You see here? I'm trying to keep my chin to my chest so my head is not touching until I reach my shoulder and my upper back. Then I go using the back of the head. I roll on my head. I do again the outer rotation of the pelvis and I start again. Again, I suggest that you use the song. So the song would be butt, lower back, middle back, upper back, back of the head. Butt, lower back, middle back, upper back, back of the head. And as you just go and get better with the reverse spinal wave, you're just going to try to get away from the wall a little bit and not use the wall so much or not use the wall at all. And again, look at both extremities of my spine. Look at my head, look at my pelvis. And again, as I was saying, in the beginning, maybe you're going to feel very tense, like it's very hard, you're blocking the breath, but then just try to relax into it and use the breath. So again, I suggest that you start using a timer, start with 3 to 5 minutes, and try to push between 5 to 10 minutes to really help yourself and improve. Start with the wall, maybe leaning a little bit on the wall, slowly leaning less and less, and then once you feel really comfortable and you feel like the movement is acquired inside your body, then just get rid of the wall. I hope this is really useful for you guys. I hope you're going to feel the benefits as much as I did while using it in the last 2 years. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.